foodies, welcome to Foodland. Can't wait to share this recipe with you. This is called layer Karanji. I have made the stuffing of dry coconut and few other ingredients. You can see the layers of this Karanji. This is very interesting recipe and very tasty. Let's start with the recipe. Karanji. So I have this 1.5 cups of dry powdered coconut. You can also take grated coconut instead. This is 6 to 7 raisins, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder, and some almond chops. If you do not like dry fruits, you can skip it. Again, here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 pinches of salt, 1/4 cup of suji or semolina. I'll take 2 tablespoons of pure ghee and water to bind the dough, and of course oil to fry. Alright, so let's first get the dough ready. I'm adding 2 pinches of salt, less than 1/4 cup of semolina, 2 tablespoons of pure ghee, and give that a good mix. It has to be a crumbly texture at the end before you add water. You can add some more ghee. It's almost 3 tablespoons of ghee. After 2 or 3 minutes, you will see that this is forming up like this. Gonna make the dough ready pretty quickly here. So when I say that we are going to make the layered Karanji, that means we need to make a layer batter. So this is the cream we're gonna make. So I have 2 tablespoons of pure ghee, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. We are going to give that a good mix and make a smooth creamy paste. And as you can see here, my dough is ready. Alright, so now we are just going to mix this together. Alright, so this is the creamy consistency. So give that a good mix, keep it aside with the dough. Alright, it's time to make the stuffing ready. I have a pan here, adding 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. This gives beautiful flavor to the Karanji stuffing. Just going to saute it until it pops up. Just changes its color. Same process for 1.5 cups of dry powdered coconut. Alright, now it's time to add half a tablespoon of pure ghee and the semolina, that's about 2 tablespoons. Just add that in the ghee. And roast this. You can skip this step totally. Add the dry fruits. saute it for 1 to 2 minutes and then keep it aside. Alright, so here I have the poppy seeds, grated coconut, and the semolina that we roasted along with the dry fruits. This is the mixture, so let it cool off for about 10-15 minutes before you add cardamom powder and sugar. Okay, in about 15 minutes I have this dough resting really nicely. So now let's move on to the next step. Get this dough massaged once again. Make equal portions. Now I have made 6 equal portions. So we're gonna have 3 layers in each roll. So let's roll the rotis now. Alright, so I have 1 and 5 here, so I have total 6 rotis. Now the layering time. I'm gonna make 3 layers roti the roll. So add this ghee mixture, spread it evenly. Some more layering of this mixture. Rolling pin and do it. Okay, so now my layering is all done. Now we have to roll it. Kindly gently press it and try to roll it from the middle, go towards the side. From the middle, go towards the side. So keep rolling and make the thin roll here. Get the knife and make about 2 inches of equal pieces. Alright, so my stuffing mixture is cool off now. So let's add cardamom powder. You can also add nutmeg powder if you like that flavor. And this is about 6 to 7 tablespoons of sugar. Pretty close to powdered sugar. Just mix that well. And my balls are ready. Roll. So as you have seen, the rolls were like this. So just keep it as is and gently press it. Okay. Now dip it in the flour and try to roll it. Make sure you roll it on one side. Do not like flip it like that. Just roll it on the side you have taken. Try to make a round shape, but if it's not coming as round and square, that's totally fine. Now add some stuffing. One-fourth teaspoon of stuffing, and get a drop of water and apply it on the edges, just like normal Karanji, how we do it. The same process, just to get the sides stick to each other. Now gently fold it. Either you can do this. Yeah, this is the right way to do it, so that the mixture won't come out from any side. Alright, just like so. Yeah, how beautiful this looks. Cute little Karanji. And when we fry it, it's gonna show us the layering. So there are two ways. Gently dab it so that the stuffing won't come out. So as I said, there are two ways. Either you can just have this Karanji maker and give that a shape of like a half moon, just like so, or I'll show you in the next what other way we can use it. So this is my cute little Karanji here. I'm gonna keep it covered on a plate or on a cutting board, and keep it aside until we are ready to fry. I'm gonna keep it covered with a paper towel or just a kitchen towel, and let's make other Karanji. So as you can see, I have made about 20 Karanjis here, and I have almost 10-15 more to do, but since my oil is hot, I'm gonna show you how to fry them. So let's see. Get the oil over them, and you start seeing the layers slowly. You have to flip it over. Beautiful layers. I'm gonna show you how crispy they are. You see? And how beautiful they are. And I wish you happy Diwali. And if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do try it at home. They are very, very tasty. So thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.